Here's how I made my Aayla headband and Leku straps. All you need to build this yourself is dark brown stretch pleather, thin elastic fabric, doesn't have to be mesh, some velcro and snap buttons, your already crafted Twi'lek ear cones, scissors, bobbins or fabric clips, fabric glue, a mask for gluing, sewing chalk, basic sewing equipment, and of course, a sewing machine. I'll link you the products I used in the video description. This tutorial is based on my patterns you can find in my Etsy shop. You can click the link in the description and also check out my Patreon, where I give early access to content and upload crafting insights too. Now let's get started. First, cut out the headband parts from stretch pleather. Don't forget to add seam allowance all around. Clip headband upper and middle together, right on right side, as shown, and sew. Use elastic stitches like zigzag or twin needle stitches for this fabric. Then clip headband lower to middle as indicated in the pattern and sew them together too. Now iron the piece carefully using a cotton cloth in between iron and fabric. Clip the finished piece to headband inside and sew the long sides together. Afterwards, turn it inside out and iron it carefully. Looking good. Now take the side and back pieces, put them right on right side, clip them together and stitch around the indicated areas. Also stitch around the round cutout in the top. Cut away all excess seam allowance possible to make it easier to turn it inside out. After doing exactly that, iron the pieces. Then mark all guiding lines you need for gluing the parts together. Especially when gluing large areas, please wear a mask and work in a well-ventilated area. Glue the side pieces carefully to headband inside using fabric glue. Gütermann HD2 needs to be ironed for fixing, so do that afterwards. Now you can close the back seam on the headband. I recommend trying it on with your Leku here to see if it fits snugly around your head. Then sew it together, cut the seam allowance and iron again. Afterwards, you can now glue the back piece into place. I also added a small rectangle to glue over the seam allowance in the back. Don't forget to iron. Now you can finally add the ear cones. Cut the circle fitting your cone backsides from thin stretch fabric and place it on the inside of the headband. Without the ear cones in, stitch it to the side piece inside carefully. Repeat this on the other side. Turn it around and squish the ear cones through the open holes. And your Aayla headband is done. Congratulations! Moving on to the straps. Cut all of them out of pleather too. Be careful to use the most stretchy direction of the fabric for the long sides. Clip them right on right side and sew all of them together like this. Cut away as much of the seam allowances as possible and turn all straps around. This process takes forever, so if you have a tool that makes turning around straps easier, use it. In my case, I only had a crochet needle. After this painstaking process, you should end up with something like this. And after ironing the straps, they should look like this. Now, on your Leku, you can start assembling the straps. Here you can see exactly how they are placed on my Leku. The last bit I just wrap around and tuck in for now. Then slowly and carefully glue on the straps. Remove the headband from the Leku again afterwards. Now either iron the glue spots or add stitches so the straps won't come off. Prepare 12 small Velcro pieces. Put the headband on the lacquer again and glue the Velcro pieces where the straps connect. After that, sew the Velcro pieces in place. Put the headband on the lacquer once again and mark where the straps tuck in. Then sew in a snap button and that's it. You're done! I can't wait for your creations with my patterns, so if you followed along, please tag me in your work in progress content. I'd love to see. Thank you!